Put the hunting stabilizer back on, and that's what it looks like. All set up and ready. All it needs is the decoy. Right now I'm going to install a quick detach system for a stabilizer. This one is from Viper. It's just a barrel. I'm also going to install a front rear mount. This is for a back bar. There's other uses that you can get into. Maybe I'll do a video on one of those where I use my long stabilizer to mount a camera that goes over the top of my reaping turkey decoy. So in order to do this, you put your bolt inside there and then through the back bar mount, and then hold it over. Use your Allen key, and once it's started, just tighten it down. Once it's almost tight, you'll turn the barrel to the way you want it. I like mine up. And then your last few cranks there will really tighten it down and try and get it just right for you. So then when you go to adjust your back bar, these have a gear system in them. So you can set it like you want it and then go from there. I like mine to be pretty close in because I am hunting. So I just use it as a 90-degree. Get that tightened down. Move on to the next one, and I'll set this better later during my stabilizer series, but for now I'll just point it backwards. So here's a hunting stabilizer from Viper. It just goes in there like this. You tighten it down, and you're all set. Removal is the same way. So if I want a back bar, I just attach the little drum. It's also quick detach. Just like that. And then you've got your whole system set up. I touched on it, but I want to talk about it again, just how important it is to have gears inside these. And I'm going to take this one all the way apart and show you what I'm talking about, because if we're talking about two pieces flat, even though it's tight, it can move, and then all of a sudden once it moves it turns your Allen key loose, and then you're in the middle of a hunt going like this. So if you can see what I'm talking about here, these gears fit into each other and they keep it locked into the exact position you want. Big improvement. The stainless steel hardware is also a must in my opinion. It's a really good little system that they have. I really like them. This is going to be one of my turkey hunting rigs. So I'm adding my feet to it. It looks like. All set up and ready. All it needs is the decoy.